There are many Bible verses on God giving us guidance in our lives. Here are just a few. Psalm 32, verse 8. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my eye upon you. Psalm 119, verse 105. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. Isaiah 58, verse 11. And the Lord will guide you continually. Isaiah chapter 30, verse 21. And your ears shall hear a word behind you saying, This is the way, walk in it, when you turn to the right or when you turn to the left. Psalm 31, 3. For you are my rock and my fortress, and for your name's sake you lead me and guide me. Psalm 143, 8. Let me hear in the morning of your steadfast love, for in you I trust. Make me know the way I should go, for to you I lift up my soul. Psalm 23, 2 and 3. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He guides me along the right paths for his name's sake. Psalm 25, 5. Lead me in your truth and teach me, for you are the God of my salvation. For you I wait all the day long.